In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check recently viewed items on Amazon. Whether you're on the hunt for a specific product you looked at earlier or just need to clear out the clutter of your browsing history, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Amazon's browsing history page. This is your main hub for viewing all those products you've previously shown interest in. If you're not already logged in, Amazon might prompt you to sign in to your account. Just enter your credentials and you'll be right where you need to be. Once there, you'll see a list of items you've recently looked at. It's a convenient way to remember the things you might want to purchase later or compare with other products. Now, if you notice there's something you'd prefer not to have in your browsing history, perhaps a gift you're researching or just something that doesn't interest you anymore, it's easy to tidy things up. Next to each item, there's an option that says Remove from View. Clicking this will make that individual item disappear from your history. It's a straightforward way to keep your browsing history relevant. If you're thinking of clearing out your entire history all at once, Amazon offers a handy feature for that too. Look toward the top right corner of the page for an option labeled Manage History. Give it a click and you'll see an option to remove all items from view. Selecting this will wipe your entire browsing history clean, giving you a fresh start. This is particularly useful if you've been doing a lot of browsing and want to declutter your previous searches. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to check and manage your recently viewed items on Amazon. By following these steps, you can customize your browsing experience, eliminate any unwanted items, and keep things organized for future shopping endeavors. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy shopping on Amazon!